Hey, this is Jim Neal. Let me tell you about a listing that we have that we're helping sell. It's on 4.77 acres in North Tennessee, Winfield, Tennessee. It's 3,500 square feet, 3-bed, 2.5 bath with a den and a full-size basement. So what we're going to do is we're going to walk in. We're going to check it out. Here we go, walking into it. We got hardwood floors throughout. Walking in, here's the dining. Chair rail, very nice. And back around, we got the den here. Plenty of room for a pull-out couch, anything you need. It's got French doors. Walk back in, you got the living area. And walk in, we have the kitchen off of it. Go towards the kitchen here. Okay, we'll pan back and get another shot of the living room. Beautiful built-in, plenty of room for a large big screen TV, which we see right there. Goes into the bedrooms, we'll check that out in a minute. Beautiful backyard. And we'll go into the kitchen. Check out the kitchen. You got a nice big bay window right there so you can see the neighbor. Not much though. Big beautiful house up on the hill. Double oven, microwave, wood cabinets, cooktop, tile floor. Just windows all the way around and take in the beautiful Tennessee Valley view. Really, really nice. Now we'll check the utility out. Utility room, cabinets, sink, washer dryer, nice big utility. There's a big pantry right there. There's your refrigerator, pantry, cabinetry. Go back in here, half bath. Very nicely done. All right, now we'll go check the bedrooms. Now walking into the bedrooms. This is the master. Off to the right, beautiful master. Hardwood floors throughout. Crown molding, coffered ceilings. Very, very nice. Large master. Like I said, the home total is 3,500 square feet with a full basement. Master bath. You have a tub, jacuzzi tub, shower, bidet, dual sinks, his and hers, large walk-in closet, plenty of storage, racks for the shoes on the bottom. Now we'll go check out the other bedrooms. Okay, here we go. Second bath. Single sink, full shower. Plenty of storage up top. They utilize a lot of space here, which is very nice. Storage. Back out, we'll go to the second and third bedroom. Second bedroom, very nice, nice big bay windows. Beautiful, beautiful home. Beautiful room. Come back around. Second, it's the third bedroom. Very much same thing. Nice big closets. And we'll go back out and check the main area. All right, we're just coming into it from another angle. Walking through. There's the breakfast nook. Opens up to the kitchen. Your kitchen. We'll walk back through and just take a quick look at the garage. I'll show you that. Key thing about the garage, big 2.5 car garage. Of course, when you're down in Tennessee, that's what you want to come do. You want to come down and play on one of those for sure. But it's a big 2-car garage. All right. Here we are coming up the driveway. Like I said, it's basically a 3,500 square foot house. It's sitting on 4.77 acres. The front yard, beautiful, beautiful front yard. Coming up the house, it has a probably almost a 4-car, maybe 5-car detached garage, as you see right there. Coming up on the property, there's your side yard. There's the neighbors, not very close. Full basement underneath the house. And there's a walkout of it right there. Got a wraparound porch. So we'll check out. Here, there's the garage. Of course, there's the gator. Play in the Tennessee woods. That's what we all want to do. Okay, just looking at the backyard. Like I said, we're sitting on 4.77 acres. Storage. Back there. Come back around. Here's the back of the house. It's got the wraparound porch. Beautiful Tennessee setting. Not far from Highway 27. There's your porch. All right, there we are at the garage again. Nice big exterior garage, oversized, beautiful. Pan around the back of the house. If you want more information, give Jim Neal a call, 239-233-4060. We can tell you all about it. Tell you what it's listed for. Like I said, 3,500 square feet, house built in 2007. Brick home on 4.7 acres of land out in the beautiful countryside of Tennessee. Look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.